Hello, what is your name?
My name is Maydi Alimon.
How old are you?
44 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
One.
How old are they?
4 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Singapore first, 2 years, and Middle East 3 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Chingy.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
600.
How many family members there?
3.
How many children?
1.
How old is now?
4 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 7:30 and prepare the breakfast of my kid and prepare breakfast for Sir and Madam. Then bring to school about 1 o'clock in the afternoon the kid, and come after bring to school, I'll go to the market, then come back home to prepare soup. Then 4:30 I'll pick up the kid in school and go back home about 5:30, then start cooking for dinner, and dinner will start 7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed 11 or 12.
Okay, so thank you so much.
May amo.